What's going on, guys? Bruce here, back at you with another Kishu Inu update, guys. I mean, today's been a pretty good day, right? We've been really focused on a couple of certain coins on this channel so far, and for a good reason. And Kishu Inu, sleeping giant, as we call it. So much good news that I want to share right now. But before I do, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, because you never know which update is going to be a huge help. And definitely comment below, because maybe you know something that can help us out over here at the bullish currency community. So don't be afraid to comment down below. And as always, guys, the information that is shared here on this channel in these videos is strictly for entertainment education purposes only. It is not financial advice. You do what you want. I'm just sharing what I know, what I see, and what we're doing here in the bullish currency, guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it, guys. Kishu Inu, right? Kishu Inu, look at all the green. Isn't that beautiful, right? It's like an early Christmas gift. 8% up right now, 44% right here, volume, 24-hour volume. This is only good news. Green means go, 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 go. Now, I want you to look at this, right? Something we've been talking about lately on the chart analysis side anyway, but look at the news. 2 times or many times they mentioned crucial support level, crucial support level. It needs to really need this support level to work and blah, blah, blah. Well, we've been kind of showing that and talking about that a little bit on these, on the chart analysis part of it. But before we get into the chart analysis side of it, because they already were giving us hints, and, you know, they were saying it was really important to hold at that support level. And we'll see what it looks like right now. Let's take a look at the holders here, guys. You know, I like to look at the holders. This is very important. I need to see that more people are joining the army. You know what I mean? That means we're strong. You know, if we got more people joining the army, then the army is stronger. It's simple, right? The holders is the army. So the holders, of course, made another leap forward, and actually made a bigger leap forward today, just like Shiba made a bigger leap today than usual, I guess, or not usual, but the last week or couple of days or so, right? So that's good. We're really approaching this 250,000 holders mark. Slowly but surely, we're getting up there. We'll be at 250 in no time. So that's good news, guys. Everything is green. We're still bullish on the holders, which is really important as well. But we're also really green here with the numbers. Let's go ahead and take a look at Kishu Inu. So as we mentioned before, we actually made it all the way down to the 786 level, which is very common with cryptos, especially meme coins, right? And we really need to hold this level here. And I told you we needed to hold this level, and we needed to start seeing some of the patterns that we saw formed on the left-hand side, so that we can repeat that and work our way all the way back up here to previous all-time high, which would be a nice, big, solid move. Okay, that's all we need. So we have a nice little trend going on here on the 12-hour. So as you can see, we're currently bullish right now. We really respected that level. We go down to the daily. We really respected that level. Now what we need to do is work our way back up to this level. Now, when we do, 2 things is going to happen. If it breaks through the trend line on the smaller time frame, that's a good sign to continue bullish. If it breaks out of the downtrend, and if it breaks out of the ceiling, the resistance level, that's a good sign to continue bullish as well. But what could happen is it could break the trend line, respect the resistance, and come back down eventually to retest both the other side of the trend line and the previous support level, and then work its way back up. Okay? But something is telling me that a lot of these coins like Shiba and Kishu are ready to make another bull run. And I feel like it's going to happen sooner than what we probably think. But like I said, with cryptos and these coins, you know, I would just, with meme coins, like these coins and stuff, I wouldn't be surprised that something like this could happen again, where you're just stuck for weeks and months of nothing going on. But at the same time, I just feel like based on timing and seasons and all that, I feel like we're not going to consolidate that much longer. I think we're about ready to start breaking out. But of course, time will tell. So we already were looking at this area as a point. I told you over and over again, when we were right down here on this line, I said, maybe this is a good time to take this project serious, right? Or, you know, for me personally, because I already, and this is a, you know, disclaimer, I'm not, you know, giving financial advice, but my own personal investment, that was a great time, to add to the bag, as we say. And as you can see, it bounced off there very, very well and is currently bullish. We need to see the rest. We need to see the rest of what I'm expecting to happen. We need to see that the rest of it happen. Am I missing a tool here? Sheesh. Okay, so they don't really have all the tools. Okay, we'll try this one. So yeah, I think, okay, that's not what I wanted to draw, but it'll do. So yeah, I'm expecting it to basically do that, kind of break out of the trend area, maybe come back down here one more time. And then after it comes down at a retest, we start to see bullish patterns again for it to continue back up to previous all-time highs, right? That's what I'm expecting. That's what I would want to see at least, right? I set the trap. I set the intention. I look at where the chart is at, where the market's at. My trap is set. I wait for it to do whatever it's going to do. And then I just can capitalize on it. As a trader, or as an investor, depending on what you're doing. But as a trader, you can trade, some pairs on certain exchanges and certain brokers. So right now, I mean, yeah, this is where we are right now. We're bullish. I think we should definitely at least come back up to the previous level. And hopefully if we break it, we're going to see some solid moves back up to previous all-time highs, guys. So everything looks good on Kishu. I'm still very bullish, if not more bullish, right? Everything's green today. It's just such a great green day, right, for a lot of these meme coins. And Kishu Inu is a sleeping giant, guys. This one can become something really, really big. So don't underestimate it. The community behind it is very, very strong. And these are community-based, driven tokens. So that's all you really got to pay attention to. Is it a legit project? Are they doing the right things? Getting into charity, getting into NFTs, getting into possibly gaming, having a strong army, having close to a 250,000 holders. They can be, this Kishu could be listed on Coinbase or some exchanges any day now, any week now. So just be ready. Keep your ears ready and pay attention, guys. Hit that notification bell because these updates are going to be coming very frequently because Kishu and a lot of these other coins are like just prepping themselves for a massive, massive moonshot, guys. So definitely be ready. Guys, that's it for today's Kishu Inu update. Until the next one, make sure you stay blessed and stay bullish.